تتقاتلش ما قوبت تكس ما قوبت
My honey, my prince. Okay, I will show you your picture after your wedding. Okay, wait. I will show you one picture.
Don't show me. I don't want to see any picture from your phone. शिवानी मुझे बहुत 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 गुस्सा आ रहा है.
I don't care.
You don't care? You don't care? शिवानी you Ndi ma bo si duuf mo si jamar na natti si tani si sinfuda.
Guys, see Rachee and Yuti after their wedding.
Shivani. What? Ndi faras no እንትን ታደርጋለች. Okay.
You know what? Genuinely, our friendship is also gone today. I can't imagine यार कि एक लड़की एक आदमी को इतना बदल सकती है. Be careful, huh? Maybe she is cheating on you also. Not a big deal. Be careful. You can cut and block me, please. Block.
Kind of talk. Ndi she's cheating on you ምናምን ትላለች እንዴ ምን አገባሽ እንዴ अरे से यीशु क्रिस्टोस ድረስ ማን ይደቁን शिवानी क्या कर रहे हो तुम मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता है ये
Okay, just say Shivani is my sister, then I'm happy. Okay? From today, you're my brother and I'm your sister, okay?
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Thank God you saved me. Believe me, Rachee, I deserve someone who's real, not fake.
शिवानी अब तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो तुम
मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि मेरी आंखें खुल गई आज.
बंदी था तेरा आंखें बंदी था
मेरी आंखों पे अभी तक झूठ का पर्दा था, बट वो झूठ अब उतर चुका है.
झूठ नहीं झूठ
It was a lie. But
should I bring my ID?
Okay, so what's the date of birth is written here? Tell me. Okay, wait.
Why you are doing like this?
Because it's my ID, no? TikTok will ban me. 2000, right?
Guys, triple, yes.
Guys, so what's
triple.
my age?
25. Guys, triple.
Without the weekends.
Do you think
Oh my God! You know,
तुम
have you ever
मुझको बेवकूफ
Have
समझते
you
हो ना
ever
शिवानी?
seen my video
Hey
with him?
शिवानी, तुम
No,
मुझको
right?
who is Pablo?
Don't lie.
Who is Pablo? Who is Pablo?
Zayd,
तुम जब तुम मेरे पास आओगी ना सारे लोग तुम्हारे बाएं पड़ेंगे. तुम
Rachee,
मुझको बेवकूफ
listen.
समझते हो तुम मुझको.
मेरी सुनेगा नहीं सुनेगा. I used to play.
नहीं सुनूंगा मैं तुझको. मैं जानता हूँ तुम्हारे बारे
2
में.
years back मैं उसके साथ खेलती थी. Now I don't play with that guy anymore. Okay? And जो लोग कमेंट
You
करे
call
वो
him
उसके
that guy
haters
because
हैं.
you are with me. You call him that guy because you are with me. I know everything about you. Guys, one flag.
Okay, let me tell you the harsh reality of this world, okay? I'm not stupid. I will never ever date, marry, even a friendship with any guy on this.
You know, without even cooking it. By Jesus Christos. I'm just kidding, Shivani. Rami. I'm like, Anchi, how can you? I'm just kidding, Shivani ko. I'm just kidding, Baretu. Baby. Shivani, baby, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I was there. Oh. I'm just kidding, Shivani, baby. I'm just kidding, baby. Baby. Acha na America, mera na kushbu. Meri. Acha. Jimmy.
Rachee, you are 20 now, 29 now. Please go and find someone for you, you know.
मैं उसको शादी कर रहा हूँ आप. मैं तुमको दिखाता हूँ मैं तुझको. My sister is finding a girlfriend for me from from her friends. So I'm going to
So you
marry
can
you.
spoil her life also.
Huh? Huh?
That girl life. The new girl, new.
Like I'm going to marry from France.
They will reject you.
In the city of love, Paris, in the city of love, having a lovely time of my life. I can't wait for my honeymoon, you know?
You don't live
It will
with
be,
your. Huh?
you know, on my honeymoon, it will be my first time. Guys,
Not first time.
yes, Shivani, I mean, no, I never,
Tell your reality, not first.
I never did,
Maybe,
Shivani.
maybe 521.
No. My honeymoon will be my first time. I never did anything else. I get shy.
Welcome, Jonu.
Who is Jono? You-
My.
You.
See, you have a lot of girlfriends.
No. I don't have.
And even you are planning for the third one from France. Oh my God, Rachee,
No.
you are
Just
such
it
a
was
player.
just a plan. It's just a
Baby,
plan.
you are a player. Remember this. You're a player.
Okay, Shivani. Thank you for understanding me.
Okay. Now you're 29. So if you will not marry someone, then how will you will make babies with your? You don't want that your generation will go.
You know, if I
You don't
go
want
for,
update in your life. You don't want your updated version.
I'm in coming 6 or 7 months. I think I'm going to marry in 7 months or 8 months.
6 or 7, 8 months. That's great.
I am searching now my wife.
That's good. I can help you.
Please,
What's your type?
just like you. You are my type. Mm.
Yeesh. Okay, yeah, I know, guys. Guys, actually, his sister is sending him kisses. His sister
No, Shivani, don't say.
is sending kisses. Maybe she's jealous of, every girl is jealous from me. So not a big deal. You know this, guys. Everybody's jealous of my beauty. So not a big deal for me. Anyhow. Oh my God. It's okay, guys.
I
His
love
sister
the way,
is sending him kisses.
I love the way she kissed me, guys. I love the way the gift was.
Because she's
it's
your
not,
sister,
it's not the
Habibi.
same. It's not the same with others. You know, it just came, here came the gift. You see the gift? I think special gift.
Mani, zara chummiya mariyo yaar.